In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a JSON file into Elementor. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own WordPress site. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in a JSON template and have it ready to use inside Elementor. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is usually the back-end area where you manage your posts, pages, and plugins. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You should see an item labeled Elementor. Hover your mouse over that Elementor option. A small submenu will appear. From that submenu, select Editor. When you click it, WordPress will load Elementor's own dashboard area inside your admin panel. Now that you're in Elementor's dashboard, keep your attention on the left-hand panel again. Here, look for an option called Saved Templates. Go ahead and click on Saved Templates. This section is where Elementor keeps all the templates you've created or imported, such as sections, pages, and other reusable layouts. In the Save Templates area, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Import Templates. Click on that button. A small window or panel will appear with an option to choose a file from your computer. Click Choose File. This will open your computer's file browser. Now, navigate to the folder on your computer where you saved your Elementor JSON file. The file will have a JSON extension. Select that file, then hit Enter on your keyboard or click Open, depending on your system. Once the file name appears in the Upload field, click the Import Now button to start the upload process. Give it a moment to upload. The page may refresh automatically once the import is complete. To confirm that your template has been successfully imported, look again to the top right area of the Save Templates list. You'll see a search field there. Click into the search field and type the name of the JSON file you just uploaded, or the template name you expect to see. After typing the name, click the Search Template button or press Enter. Wait a moment for the search results to load. You should now see your imported JSON template listed among your saved templates, ready to insert into your Elementor pages whenever you need it.